Filmed so many videos inside, it was definitely time to film another outside. Opt outside, you know, REI. REI told me to do this in the outdoors. Ah, it's, could it be? Oh yes, the Garmin Instinct 50mm rugged solar smartwatch. Nice. Nice box. Are we done using the knife? We'll find out. Oh, that's nice. I love the gray and the orange. Comes with a USB-C, no longer USB-A. Rugged solar watch. So instead of the tropic color, like the AMOLED screen, this is orange and gray. And it's solar, memory and pixel. So we'll undo that. You know, the orange is a lot brighter than I thought. So, knife safety. Peel this off. And yes, it does have the static submarine window. Long press on the control. Ooh. Looks a lot like the other one, about the same size. So right now, technically, it could be charging. So could this if I tilt it correctly. English. Pair with phone. Scan with camera. So the setup on these watches is super duper easy. So we go here, take it out of airplane mode, add device. Yeah, it looks like a good match. Allow, complete setup of your Instinct. Okay, the screen is definitely crisper than the one from 2 years ago. Well done. Next. Do I want it to be my primary? Yes. Confirm sleep? Yes. Keep default goals? Yes. Sync now. Or forever hold your peace. Navigating your Instinct is going to be the same as your Instinct 2X. Yeah, so finish. Congratulations. Not now. Got it. That was pretty easy. Let's see what are the default watch faces. We have that one. And that one. And that one. So we have two watch faces. Let's go with this one. 71%, 6 hours. Let's see which one charges faster. So we're at 39%, 39 days. 71%, 8 days. Alrighty. Come on, charge, charge. Get that in just direct sunlight there. The buttons feel a little different, softer, similar to the other Instinct 3 that I have. I really dig. Oh yeah, the orange with the gray, and this is the tropic green, kind of aqua teal blue. My wrist size is 7 inches in circumference, in case you're wondering. Okay, further testing is needed, and I'm sure there's going to be an update. But for now, I think that's pretty cool. Cut. See you soon.